Hey there, happy Wednesday and thanks for checking out today's video. So today on HISD Now, it's National Signing Day. I'll take you inside the signing ceremony at Del Mar, plus big wins across the district in band, wrestling, and much more, and a special visit by the Houston Dash. We're also spotlighting our pre-K programs, getting you ready for our next school choice fair, and talking about HISD's future in 2026. Let's get started. Well, today is National Signing Day, and this afternoon we hosted a district-wide signing ceremony at Del Mar, bringing together student athletes, families, coaches, and school leaders. The room was filled with excitement and tables representing colleges and universities, school colors, and students putting pen to paper as they officially committed to continue their athletic careers in college.
It means a lot. I mean, these young people have put so much work into their craft, right? And it's not only them. This is not only about them. This is about their parents, their coaches, their guardians, grandparents. You'll see grandparents here today. They all get excited about this. This is for all of them, all the hard work, all the travel, all the extra. It kind of comes out today.
National Signing Day is a chance to celebrate the hard work, discipline, and dedication it takes to compete in college sports, both on the field and in the classroom. Congrats to all of those student athletes and their families. A big congrats also goes out to the Waltrip Ram Band. So this past weekend at the Region 23 East Zone Solo and Ensemble Contest, 40 students earned a first division rating and 11 performances are headed to state, 5 ensembles and 6 solos. Now that's the most of any school at the contest. Again, a big congrats to the Waltrip Ram Band. HISD is also making waves in wrestling. Now, congrats to several of our student athletes who are heading to the UIL 5A and 6A Region 3 Boys and Girls Wrestling Championship. In the girls 5A division, Waltrip High School's Alexa Trejo came in second place, and Milby's Isabella Peña came in third, both locking in a spot at the big meet starting tomorrow in Bryan. In 6A, Lamar's Viviana Lopez came in second, and Valeria Rivera of Chavez took third. And in fourth place, it was Abigail Martinez of Heights. All three also locking in their spots. In 5A boys, Milby's Alan Maya took home first place, and Waltrip's Jackson Leah took third, and Joel Valdez of Northside took fourth, all securing their spots at the championship. And in 6A boys, Westside's Andrew Rodriguez took home first and also secured his spot. The Region 3 championship will take place at the Legends Event Center in Bryan over the next few days. Best of luck to all of those student athletes competing. And take a look at this, a special visit at Sanchez Elementary today. The Houston Dash stopped by to celebrate our students' success and the hard work of our teachers, including a very special visit from soccer player Jane Campbell. Students have shown strong growth in reading, science, and math, and the Dash helped mark the moment by donating soccer balls for students to use during after-school programs.
We want to keep on motivating them, rewarding them, because they're really putting in the effort. We're doing so well in Amira, in CERN, and meeting our goals each time, so we need to honor them.
I think it's great to be here. I'm so honored to be here with the kids, and it's great to get them outside and playing soccer.
And we also want to thank Grizzy from Grizzy's Hood News for shining a spotlight on our pre-K programs this past week. Now, Grizzy was live yesterday from the Mistral Early Childhood Center in Southwest Houston. Principal Elisa Reyes took viewers on a tour of the center, and Grizzy also chatted with teachers and parents, including Miss Carol, whose daughter just turned 4. She tells us her daughter is growing in all kinds of ways, turning from a shy child into a confident pre-K student.
If you think your child is too small, no, because everything is centered about the little person. Oh, you know, the only big people here are the people that are going to teach them and who are going to take care of them and keep them safe. Is all about people that are just like them. So go ahead and bring them.
A big thank you also to Principal Reyes and the entire pre-K team for a great introduction to a great school. Families, remember, enrollment for full-day pre-K across HISD is open now through April 17th. This is your chance to give your 3 or 4-year-old a strong start by applying today at houstonisd.org/pre-K. Everything you need, including the application, is on the website. I'm also dropping those links in the video description. And our next school choice fair is this coming Saturday, and for the first time since the pre-K phase 1 application period opened, parents of children who turn 3 or 4 before September 1st will be able to get help in person at this fair. Now you can get everything done here. Here's more from our Director of Pre-K Enrollment.
So parents are always asking, what's the strategy for me to get accepted to a school? Applying in phase 1 is always the best strategy. Selecting at least 5 campuses, visiting those campuses. So as you're moving through Houston traffic, you understand the drive, the commute from your house to the school. We have our early childhood centers. So they have over 200 available pre-K seats, and that is all they do is pre-K. So we always encourage parents to add in early childhood as one of their 10 selections.
And be sure to take a screenshot of this. The School Choice Fair is on Saturday, February 7th at the Mandarin Immersion School. Just stop by anytime between 9 a.m. and noon. Well, now to Hartsfield Elementary on Houston's South Side. This animal and environmental science magnet school is in the spotlight for this week's Campus Close-Up. And the teacher you're about to meet has spent 17 years in the classroom, but says her last 2 years at Hartsfield have been some of the best yet. Now, Kenya Morris's story is brand new on the channel. She's in her 17th year of teaching, and for the past 2, she's been at Hartsfield. This year, she's guiding 5th graders through the core principles of English language arts. Hartsfield is also home to a wide range of animals, from snakes to hand-raised chickens and even a pig. The story is all brand new and it's up on the channel right now. In other news, the District Advisory Committee, or DAC, met last night. Now, the DAC brings together educators, parents, and community leaders to help guide the district's goals and programs. And last night, members heard from Superintendent Mike Miles about Accelerate Houston. This is the district's roadmap for the future and an initiative that highlights how the district will move forward to make sure our schools and programs are resourced and ready to provide the best education for every student and prepare them for the future. Now, I've sat down with some district leaders recently to talk more about these priorities. Those conversations are in a playlist on our channel called HISD 2026, The Future is Now. Well, that is it for today on HISD Now. As always, thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing these stories, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow.